Unraveling Idioms. Put something to bed. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, put something to bed. Idioms can be tricky for language learners because their meanings are not always obvious from the words alone. So, let's explore this idiom together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Put something to bed is an idiom that means to complete, finalize, or resolve something so that it no longer requires attention. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from publishing to business and everyday life. The idea behind this expression is similar to putting a child to bed. Once the child is in bed, their day is over, and they can rest. Similarly, when you put something to bed, you bring it to a conclusion, allowing you and others involved to move on. The phrase, put something to bed, has its roots in the publishing industry. In traditional printing presses, to put to bed meant to lay out the pages of a newspaper or book on the press and ready it for printing. Once the pages were set, or put to bed, the printing could begin, signaling the end of that day's or issue's editing process. Over time, this phrase has evolved beyond the publishing context to be used more broadly in English. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. After weeks of negotiation, we finally put the deal to bed. In a business context, this means finalizing a deal. I need to put this project to bed before I can start on the next one. Here, it refers to completing a project. Let's put this argument to bed and move forward. In personal relationships, it means resolving a dispute. For English language learners, idioms like, put something to bed, can add color to your speech and help you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few tips. Use this phrase when you want to emphasize the completion or resolution of something. Pay attention to context. While this idiom is versatile, ensure its use fits the situation. Practice using the idiom in sentences or real-life scenarios to become more comfortable with it. Understanding and using idioms can greatly enrich your English learning journey, making your conversations more vibrant and native-like. We hope this exploration of put something to bed has been enlightening and that you're now ready to use it in your own speaking and writing. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more idioms and expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.